Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Find the slope of a line perpendicular to y equals 3/4 x plus 5. Write the equation of the perpendicular line that passes through the point 2, -1. Now, let us work through the solution step by step. The given line is already in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Reading off the coefficient of x, we see the slope of the given line is 3/4, and the y-intercept is 5. Here is the graph of both lines. The orange line is the original, y equals 3/4 x plus 5, rising from left to right with a positive slope. The blue line is the perpendicular line, y equals -4/3 x plus 5/3, falling steeply from left to right. The gold dot marks the point 2, -1 that the perpendicular line passes through. The two lines meet at a right angle. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals. That means we multiply the two slopes and get -1. So we flip 3/4 to get 4/3, then make it negative. The perpendicular slope is -4/3. Now we build the equation of the perpendicular line. We know its slope is -4/3 and it passes through the point 2, -1. Plugging into point slope form gives us y plus 1 equals -4/3 times the quantity x minus 2. Distribute -4/3 through the parentheses. On the right side, -4/3 times x gives -4/3 x, and -4/3 times -2 gives +8/3. Then subtract 1, written as 3/3 from both sides. The perpendicular line in slope-intercept form is y equals -4/3 x plus 5/3. Let's verify our answer by plugging x equals 2 into the perpendicular line equation. -4/3 times 2 is -8/3. Adding 5/3 gives -3/3, which simplifies to -1. That matches our y value, so the point checks out perfectly. Here is the graph of both lines. The orange line is the original, y equals 3/4 x plus 5, rising from left to right with a positive slope. The blue line is the perpendicular line, y equals -4/3 x plus 5/3, falling steeply from left to right. The two lines meet at a right angle, and the point 2, -1, lies on the perpendicular blue line. To summarize, the given line has slope 3/4. The perpendicular slope is its negative reciprocal, -4/3. Using point slope form with the point 2, -1, we get the perpendicular line y equals -4/3 x plus 5/3. We can confirm these slopes are perpendicular because their product is 3/4 times -4/3, which equals -1. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.